Hi, my name is Irena, I'm from the Czech Republic and I'm going to show you how to bake traditional Czech bread rolls called rohlíky.
So for this recipe you will need 500 grams of plain flour, 250 ml of water, or you could use half milk, half water, 21 grams of fresh yeast, or you could use 1 sachet of dried yeast, half a teaspoon of sugar, 12 grams of salt and 50 grams of butter, or if you want you could use lard or half each. In the lukewarm milk and water, add the sugar, crumble in the yeast, mix it all together and leave to rest for about 15 minutes. So when your yeast has risen and you have melted your butter, add them to the bowl. Liquid ingredients first. Then add the flour. And the salt. Mix all the ingredients together to form a nice smooth dough. When your dough is ready, gently tip it on a floured surface. Knead it for a little bit until it's really nice and smooth. Form into a ball. Put it back in the bowl, cover up and leave to rise for at least an hour. When your dough has risen, it should be about twice the size. Gently tip it out again on a floured surface. And split it into 10 parts. Each should weigh about 80 grams. To make your bread rolls, you have to form each piece of the dough into a ball and roll it out into a sort of triangular shape. And roll it up from the long side up, quite firmly. I will do it one more time. When you put the bread roll on the tray, make sure that the tip is at the bottom, otherwise it will unravel during baking. When you have made all your rohlíky, cover them up and leave to rise for about 20 minutes to half an hour. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. When your rolls have risen to about twice their size, take the cover off, spray them with water, and sprinkle them with salt. And I use caraway seed, you can use poppy seed or anything you like. Bake your rolls in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until light golden brown. When your rolls are ready, take them out of the oven, remove from the tray and leave on a cooling rack to cool down completely. If you don't have asbestos fingers like me, use an oven glove. And there they are, Czech rohlíky. Hope you enjoy.